And we have some news just coming in at this point in time. 5 more arrests have been made in the Delhi killer flood apathy. Owners of the basement and driver of the SUV have been arrested. A driver held for driving in the flood water. No action against Babus, but 5 more people have been arrested is what we understand in connection with the basement flooding case of Rajinder Nagar. The arrested people include the owners of the basement and an individual who drove a vehicle which appears to have damaged the gate of the building.
हमने पहले 2 व्यक्ति गिरफ्तार किए थे और अब हमने 5 और लोगों को इस केस में गिरफ्तार किया है। इसमें 4 वो हैं जो इस बेसमेंट के ओनर्स थे और एक व्यक्ति वो है जो उस रोड से बहुत ही तेज गति से अपने गाड़ी को ले जाते हुए दिखा है, जिसके कारण उस बिल्डिंग के गेट का डैमेज होना देखा गया है।
Going straight across to Shreya for more details on that. Shreya, give us a sense of who all have now been arrested. What about the driver in this case? What is his role in all of this?
Well, what we really understand that this case against the driver is about reckless driving, because just bang opposite where I'm standing right now, the vehicle had caused a tremor which actually made the gate unoperational, because of which the waters gushed in. So that's the reason why the owner of this third vehicle has also been arrested. Apart from that, the 4 new arrests also include those who were responsible for the management on that particular day. That includes the guards as well who were on duty. Apart from that, we do know that the owner and the coordinator also have been arrested for the misuse of the permission that was given to the basement only for storage purpose. So now alone, 7 people in total have been arrested so far as this Rajinder Nagar incident is concerned by the Delhi police.
All right, Shreya, I'm going to ask you to be with us to tell our viewers that there are 5 people who've been arrested in this case. 5 more people who've been arrested in this case, in addition to the arrest previously made. Also, Shreya, give us a sense of who all have been arrested in this case so far, as far as this major lapse is concerned.
Yesterday, first and foremost, Abhishek Gupta, who was the owner and the coordinator, Deshpal Singh, they were already arrested. Then today, what we are doing, I'm giving to understand that 5 more fresh arrests have been made. 4 of them pertain to the basement and also the management duty that they were there on. Apart from that, the one that I'm talking about is the vehicle driver or the owner of the vehicle, which is the third vehicle, which actually just crossed this particular stretch when the stretch was flooded. Because of the reckless driving, the gate, which is an electronic gate, it actually malfunctioned and the gates opened, which released the water inside the basement. So clearly what the Delhi police in all likelihood will be making is a case of reckless driving on the part of the Thar owner. And so far as the other 4 fresh arrests are concerned, they are pertaining to the duties that they had as per the roster on that particular day, and they failed to duly do their duty and also evacuate these students correctly as the situations required. So that makes the total arrest to 7 right now. Earlier, as I was saying, that the owner and the coordinator was already arrested in the first instance.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Shreya, getting in those details as far as a horrific case in Delhi is concerned. But more arrests have been made in the flood apathy matter, which has in fact killed 3 young IAS students, all of them in their 20s.